Thank you so much for dropping by. What a beautiful day to begin with. Today we are going to review one of the exciting script that took around 10 years to complete it, and it was none other than famous director, producer, I think he's producer, Priyadarshan, because most of his Bollywood movies are more about fun and comedy. But this movie was about a serious topic that took him around almost 10 years to complete it. Yes, Amar Khan was interested in this project, trying to fund it, and this was to be a Bollywood Hindi movie. But later, as the script was dragged, or maybe it took so much time for Priyadarshan to make it, and Amar Khan was supposed to finish this project. He was not interested. Later, Priyadarshan said that Akshay Kumar will be the lead role, and this time once again the project didn't go its way. And later Priyadarshan was interested to work with another team to produce it as a Tamil movie. But later Prabhudeva was the one who funded this project. It's none other than a movie, I just only know this English name, Sometimes. A very brilliant movie. Looks like it's a one-shot movie, especially the location is only one place. Here we see 7 people are anxiously waiting for their HIV result. So we see that the girl was very upset with her mother on the phone, and she was asking for money and something, and these 7 people were waiting for the result, and the girl was thinking something else to get the bribe from these people to reveal their results quickly. They were anxious and they were scared also, and they said, okay, we will collect money from each one of us. So you can see that all these 7 people are from different walks of life, from different age gaps, and the subject is one, but you can see that how the different age groups are affected by this topic. And then they were waiting the result. The girl said that okay, it will come. So she got the money from them, she get the bribe from them, and during this time you can see that how the people are waiting for the result, curiosity, how they talk to each other, and especially what they like to eat at the restaurant also. It's more about a detailed acting. And finally they go to the clinic, the time is up, and they wanted to know the result. And the girl said, because the girl tried to find out that what the result is, but she was reluctant because she was unable to go to the lab and get the results. So she said that okay, among you there is one person who has HIV. And all of them were scared, what will happen? One person get the result, he was happy, excited, makes his gestures, goes away. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and the last one was sitting right there on the bench in search of truth. He didn't open the envelope and he died on the bench. Later we find out that the girl told her colleague that there were 7 people who were waiting for the HIV. Thanks God, all of them, they don't have it. Just sometimes the doubt prevails on your brain, and you took it very seriously that you don't even think about what are the facts. And without knowing the fact, the fear prevails on you. So the story is worth watching, and especially the thing is that we learn from here, never tell anything, even for a joke, in a lie. And always, without knowing the fact, don't assume or presume in your brain that the things will really be like this. He was a father and he was a good person, but yet sometimes his own doubt in someone's life took his life and took that father away from the daughter and husband away from a mother. Thank you for being with me, and I hope you will like this movie. And if you have any other movie that you really wanted to suggest, kindly in the comment box suggest me that movie, and Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and suggest any movie and watch this on Netflix. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Keep smiling and tell the truth to everybody around you. Bye bye.